flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Woo! It's a draft. Yeah.
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else matters.
Hey besties, Deborah MM here. You're welcome to yet another Lagos weekly vlog. Yeah, so I know you guys are wondering, why do you have your hair and makeup done? Are you going out? No, I'm not going out. I just finished filming a video I'll be having up on Wednesday. So I know by the time you guys watch this vlog, that video is already up. So please do watch that video because it is so special to me. It's the first time I'm doing something so personal, and I just feel so vulnerable. I don't know if you guys are going to see it, but I was like, let me welcome you guys to a new vlog because my makeup on my hair is giving, okay? It is giving la vida loca. For some reason, I'm so happy today. I don't know why I'm so happy. I know why I'm happy because today was an amazing filming day. NEPA didn't take light. Oh my god. NEPA didn't take light. That's why you see there's no noise in my video. There's been light since I started shooting. Now I'm done shooting and there's still light, so we're going to do a TikTok video, okay? We are going to maximize NEPA's goodness today. So I'm not going to take off my makeup. I'm going to film a TikTok, and then we're also going to pour some wine because today was such an amazing day. The email I received today is making me so happy, okay? The email I received today, guys, don't worry, I'll give you guys all the tea as the day goes on. I'll give you guys all the tea as the week goes on because I'm just so happy. Yeah, so I was like, let me welcome my besties back to another Lagos weekly vlog. Even though you guys don't turn up for my weekly vlogs, I'll still keep pumping them out because one day people must watch it and like it. So I'm really hoping that this week is going to be really fun. I want this Lagos weekly vlog to be so fun, but I have my fingers crossed, hopefully to not just be PR packages and stuff. So let's see. So besties, I just wanted to show you guys some behind the scenes of how I get my thumbnails. I just pause while I record and then I'll put it on my laptop and screenshot it and I get my thumbnails. So in case you're wondering how to get your thumbnails, this is what you should do. So as you can see, I'm pausing, making crazy faces, you know, now making faces that will just stimulate emotion. So that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, don't say I didn't do anything for you, okay? Hey besties, welcome back to my vlog. I know the last time you saw me has been like a week. I'm so sorry. I've just not been in the vlogging mood. My monthly homegirl came this week and child, she kicked my ass. As in, she kicked it. So I have not been having any ginger to film or upload, but today is Sunday and I'm uploading a video today, so please watch it. It's another 30-day skin test. Yes, and then today is Sunday. Today is my sister's birthday. Today is CEO's birthday, so we're having a birthday lunch. I'm so excited because it's been a long time since I got pretty and went out and had a good time, you know. So I'm about to start curling my hair. I don't know what I'm going to do to my hair. It's my bone straight I want to wear, but I want to try and curl it. So I don't know how it's going to go, but that's what I want to do now. And then I'll see you guys when we're getting ready, because I'm going to slay today. I'm so happy I'm going to slay. So besties, this is the hair. This is my bone straight. I haven't used this hair in a very long time, so I was thinking I'll try and curl just the ends to give that sexy look. And don't mind my stuff, I just had to wedge it with my top. So that's what I'm about to do now, and I'll catch you guys later.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is an episode on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
And a bottle of wine.
Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around.
Annie, say hi. Yaki, say hi. Birthday girl. Where's your flower?
My flowers.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you?
Another secret admirer. The birthday lunch slash early dinner, and we just had our starters. We're waiting for our mains, and we're at Cilantro in Victoria Island. So I'm looking good.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See all our things.
How you guys enjoying your meal? Yeah. We don't even know them, but we're here anyway. Guys, this drink is fire. This drink?
A volcano.
Cheers.
Are you serious?
Cheers. 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 Everybody.
beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grass.
Happy birthday! Happy So this is the birthday cake. So good looking. I love it. See you. Happy birthday, birthday girl. Thank you. Amazing. Your best birthday ever, baby. Your best birthday ever. I think so. Because of me, right? Not really. I'm so overfed.
No, like this her own, so you can eat my own. That's it.
Okay, so I'm testing it. And it's chocolatey, but it's rich, but it's not as rich as I would love it to be because there's no cream cheese. Becca gets cream cheese. Becca is cream cheese. It's giving. It's living.
Alright, go ahead. Trips and checks.
Hey besties, gotcha. Not whatchamacallit. That's my proposal, but you know, soon someone's gonna put a ring on it. Someone's gonna put a ring on this. But I know the last time you saw me, the last time you saw me, we were at Cilantro. Cilantro is at VI. I really enjoyed their service. They let you vlog, so if you're going there to vlog, go there. They won't even disturb you. They can even help you. And then it was really an amazing time just with my sisters and girls town. And then yeah, as you can see, now I'm going to the gym because baby girl, I've been paying 15k a month and I haven't been going. This month I've only gone to the gym twice. That's bad. We have to do better. So I'm going to the gym right now. That's why I look a mess. My hair is looking a mess. Don't say anything about it. I know I'm going to get it done soon. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on my sneakers and go. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey besties, good morning. How's your night? I hope you had a nice night. So today is Saturday and I'm running late for the gym, but I wanted to wrap up this Lagos weekly vlog I just want to come and say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I hope you watch the next one because I'm starting a new Lagos weekly vlog today. So I wanted to make sure I wrap this up and show you guys something I picked up on Thursday. So I picked up some new jewelry from AliExpress. Girl, if you know me and AliExpress 5/6. So I didn't pick up much. I just picked up these trendy new rings that all the influencers are wearing. So I picked up 3 pieces, and I feel like I should have picked up more. But I just wanted to add to my jewelry collection because I don't have any gold rings, and gold rings really look classy. So I picked up these 3. But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys in more detail in a video I have coming up. So subscribe to my channel because you guys don't want to be missing the tea that nobody's going to give you. But they don't want to tell you where they get their stuff from. I will put you on. And they also sent me this as a gift. So, and it comes in this little pouch. So I'm going to film that this week. So yeah, that's about it. Okay. So yeah, besties, that's about it. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Please drop me a comment on your favorite part. Yes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is so important. Thank you for 2K subscribers. Girl, the giveaway is coming. We're working on it. And share this with your family and friends so that more people can join the bestie gang. You know it's giddy here. And without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.